Someone, you have something to do with Delta State. You got pregnant for somebody. You gave birth to the child. 3 days later, the child died. 3 days, the child died. You got pregnant for somebody else. There's a girl. You have a daughter with your mom. It's with your mom.
Yes, sir.
Stand up. Let me pray for you. The enemies will not succeed in making your life a mess. Because that is what the enemy has planned, that your life is going, nothing good will come out. But God says no. Let me pray for you now. The man,
Me and the baby.
the man denied you and the baby.
Me and the baby, yes. No.
And kept another woman.
Yes, sir.
Is he your husband?
Yes.
No.
We're not
no,
married.
No, it's not your husband.
No, we're not married.
You are not married to him.
No.
So he has a right to throw you out. He has a right to, because it's already a wrong foundation. What he did is not right, but the foundation is corrupted. So you have nowhere to stay. Your baby is with your mom?
Yes.
What's Ogara?
That is where I live.
You live in Ogara?
Yes, with him before.
With him?
Yes.
What's happening at the junction? I see a junction. I see a junction.
Coco Junction, sir.
Yeah, what is that?
It's a land I rented.
You rented it?
Yes.
For what?
I wanted to build a provision store and stay there with my baby.
To build a store and stay there?
With my baby.
With your baby?
Yes.
So how old is your baby now?
My baby is 6 years old.
So the man threw you out?
Yes, sir.
And he brought in another woman?
Yes, sir.
Why?
Since I got pregnant with the baby, he started going out and bringing women in.
Why? What did he say is his reason?
No reason, sir.
No reason?
No.
You're
then
giving...
anytime I tell him, anytime I confront him, he will beat me and leave the house.
No, not confront. Anytime you insult him.
Yes.
It's not confront.
Yes, sir.
You see, your mouth is sharp. When you are angry,
Yes,
you can't
sir.
control it.
Yes, sir.
When you are angry, you can destroy.
Yes.
But it's not what you want to do.
No, sir.
Just get angry. So it's not confront. It's insult. So he will beat you
Yes, sir.
all the time.
Yes.
So you want to go back there to the same man that beat you?
No, sir. I don't want to go back to him. I want to take care of my baby.
Of your baby?
Yes, sir.
The first one that died was how old?
Just 3 days.
Show her mercy. Mercy! Let everything that God has not planted be uprooted from your life. Be free.